welcome back sa ating channel at i-share natin itong year-end gala feature po natin with Plume and real-world assets finally built for DeFi. And today guys, may feature partner po tayo which is ito nga pong si Plume. So one of the most talk about ecosystems in the real-world assets. So decent exclusive gala bonus guys, meron po tayong mga bonus ngayon. Save 37% off plus up to $75 airdrop. So extra 75 token raffle inclusive Plume. So year-end gala campaign until January 13 lang po ito guys. User who purchase a decent biometric wallet can enter a raffle to receive $75 worth of tokens from 10 partner projects including Plume. And then guys, what is Plume po guys? Isa po siyang cryptocurrency and blockchain po guys, no? The asset finance po ng ating EM compatible blockchain. So isa po siyang token guys. Okay? So isa siyang token. And then guys, early on-chain activity often matters more than capital size. So ito nga po at ng ating Plume ngayon, no, is nakasave po tayo dito guys. And then for decent wallet users sa ating year-end gala becomes early access to leading the ecosystem. So, in short, the gala is your chance to discover the Plume early and earn Plume through on-chain participation and unlock an exclusive $75 nga po guys, token raffle bonus. And then guys, ito nga po yung ating link nasa description po. Nilagay ko lang yung link ng ating year-end gala guys. Pwede nyo pong basahin yan at meron naka-guide na po yan lahat guys, no? Yung link na nasa ating ibaba po ng ating video guys. Meron din po tayong BitSwap. So year-end gala features with BitSwap IP rights on chain. And then what is BitSwap nga po? So standard sizes po siya guys, no? And then decent wallet times BitSwap partnership. So, K-milestone roadmap, then connect an estimated 2 trillion global IP market to blockchain. Then, 510,000 RW contributors and over 200,000 on-chain licensing. So, guys, ito po yung latest update natin ng ating Binance Alpha. And then, what is it for decent wallet user? So, now, what does all this actually mean for decent user? So, BitSwap nga po guys. For decent wallet users at the year-end gala na isa po siya sa mga new RWA category nga po guys. So, in short guys, on-chain and task how to join. So, BitSwap mission in decent year-end gala will be available in round 1. So, December 17 to December 23 nga po. And then, paano natin yan i-click guys? Click nyo na po yung year-end gala natin sa ating application store. At ayan, makikita nga po natin sa ating decent wallet ang year-end gala up to 37 off of airdrops every week nga po guys. And time left to join the round 1 airdrop. So, 6 days, 24 hours, 49 minutes, and 5 seconds. At 24 seconds na lang po na. And then, get up to 37% off the biometric wallet plus a chance to win the $75 worth of airdrops. Okay? So, buy one kayo, mag-buy kayo ngayon guys ng 25% off. Yung isa lang is $119 nga po. And then, kung dalawa yung bibilhin natin na wallet, biometric wallet, is $199 nga po. So, how to get your airdrop guys? Step 1 guys, punta lang kayo sa inyong biometric wallet. And then, step 2, complete the setup and connect to the decent app. Then, tap apply for airdrop and apply verification period. So, apply for the airdrop now in decent app. Ayan. So, on a biometric wallet gets weekly airdrops nga po guys. So, ayan guys, nandito na lahat yung guide ng ating decent na mga application po guys. I-connect po yan sa ating app connection link. So, pagpasok nyo po lang dito guys, is connect nyo po yung year-end gala nyo, yung biometric wallet nyo guys sa inyong application. At ayan guys, mag-enter po tayo ng biometric authentication. So, nakalimutan ko po yung password ko dito guys. So, yung next po natin gagawin guys is, ayan guys, naka 37 off na ang ating decent biometric wallet. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Huwag na kayong mapapalampas dahil ngayon lang pong araw na ito nagsisimula lang ang ating year-end gala guys na 75% off ay 75% exclusive dollar nga po. Yung marireceive po natin. So, ayun guys, ayun ang pag hinihintay nyo. Nasa comment section lang po yung link natin. Nasa description lang yung link natin. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan, may guide po dyan guys. So, yun lang guys. Thanks for watching.